My doctor asked me, what do I do when I can't sleep? This is what I do late night when I can't sleep. I repot in some seedlings. These are $1.25 for 30 of them. $1.25 for that tray. Let's move them in. Stratums. Now water. This take only 5 seconds to water 25 seedlings. Stratums are reusable. So are these cups. To provide extra humidity for those seedlings, I wrapped it with saran wrap or over the top of the cup. And as you can see down here, there's two sides to add water in any time. Now I add the lid over to make sure they are secure. Oh, and don't forget to label them. Let's watch them grow.